Now, it's time to go over some very important test-taking techniques. In this video, we'll go over 3 parts: how to set up the exam, time management, and special tips. Okay, so setting up your exam. When it comes to this exam, whether it's paper and pencil or computer-based, you're going to want to read every single question first, no matter how long it takes. This is going to be a great investment in time management because you're going to see what you're up against and you're going to want to attack those easy questions first. Remember, when you're taking an exam for a state license, you need at least 70% to pass. Different counties may vary in the percentage you need to pass. Either way, aligning your questions from easiest to hardest will save you tons of time and make these percentages achievable. The test-taking environment is going to be pretty strict. No phones are allowed, no multiple colored pencils and highlighters are allowed, but you will be given scrap sheets of paper, which are unlimited, you can always ask for more, and something to write with. This is going to be our secret weapon. Side note, if you're taking a computer-based test, instead of scrap sheets of paper, they will hand you a dry erase board. Either way, you can use the same methodology. You'll be using the scrap sheet of paper to create a map for your exam. That means you'll be numbering from 1 through however many questions your exam consists of. Next to each number, you're going to write down the book name of where you think you'll find the answer. Even if it's 2 different books, that's fine. When creating this map, word association can be very useful. One of my favorite examples is focusing on the 4 keywords shall, must, min, and max. These are very restrictive words that will usually imply the answer being in a code book, such as the Florida Building Code. A key to this exam is not to end up scattering from book to book. So what we're going to do with this list that you made on your scrap sheet of paper is only focus on one book at a time. So for instance, take OSHA and answer all the OSHA questions first. Now you're done with that one book. Make sure to use the scrap sheet of paper for page numbers as well. This will save you some time and avoid going back to glossary or index and back to the pages. Also, write some multiple choice answers on your scrap sheet. This will be helpful for elimination options later. The most important tip that our instructors give, and that we encourage overall as a company, is to take a break. These tests last for hours, and there's no way that we can just keep concentrating for that long. So take a break, refresh, and go back. We're almost done. Your final tip is to leave math problems for last. They're probably the lengthiest of problems. Also, when it comes to math word problems, make sure to always look for the question mark. Sometimes we get too involved in the story, and we forget what the question is asking. Other than that, it's pretty self-explanatory. If you have any questions, reach out to the instructors. They'll be happy to help.